Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Now, think back to the year 1860. Our ancestors marched on Constantinople, forcing Byzantium to recognize their great power. Today, the new Qwen 3.7 model is doing the exact same thing. It is boldly challenging the lumbering cloud empires of massive corporations, stepping out of the shadows to claim its rightful place.
Can a local open-source model actually conquer these massive corporate cloud empires? Well, in the Great Arena Hall of Fame, this new model just took 13th place. She came incredibly close to the mighty GPT 5.5. Right now, this magic is locked away in tall corporate towers, and we're testing the new Max and Plus versions through a simple chat interface. But hear this, the open weights for local launch will appear very soon. Soon, we'll all be able to unleash this incredible power directly on our own hardware.
Just look at the shining open weights of Quen 3.7 on one side, standing proud against the dull, heavy stones of closed cloud empires on the other. Quen 3.7 confidently outperforms GPT 5.2, and it easily defeats the vaunted Grok 4.2.0. The balance of power is truly shifting away from those heavy, dull stones of closed networks. It's moving toward a brighter, completely decentralized future where we hold the keys. Section 1. Forging the Shield. Engineering and infrastructure. Let's dive right into the mechanics.
We gave the Max version a really challenging programming task. We needed a self-healing monitor for tasks on an Ubuntu server. Like the wise hero Ilya Muromets forging a reliable shining blue shield, the neural network got straight to work. It wrote perfect code with a fully prepared database. It specified all the basic operations and system requirements perfectly. It even included scripts for quick notifications to Telegram. Honestly, our faithful Domovoy would be absolutely delighted with such robust, magical protection around our digital home.
Moving on to Section 2, the Winged Messenger, Automation and Delivery. Let's see how it moves.
The neural network created a massive script on its own to install the entire system. It moved as instantly and cleanly as a speedy Winged Simargl, delivering pure light through a dark forest. First, the script instantly delivered all the necessary files without a single error. Second, it automatically configured the access rights in the Linux system. And finally, we ran the code, and port 8000 opened successfully on the very first try. It was like pure magic.
Not even the evil Kikimora could ruin this beautiful, clean work. The smart monitor automatically fixes failed tasks without any human intervention at all. Just think about that. It was absolutely perfect working code from the very moment we ran it, protecting our server from any digital mischief.
Section 3, Weaving the Languages, the Linguistic Trial. Let's see how it handles words. We woke up the Plus version for a truly challenging linguistic trial. We watched as the artificial intelligence acted like the ethereal goddess Mokosh. She carefully wove dozens of multicolored threads into a single stunning canvas. We asked the model to name famous songs in 75 languages. The text had to be written strictly in their unique native alphabets, and it succeeded beautifully. It was a breathtaking display of digital artistry. The mighty hero Dobrynya Nikitich would have envied such incredible, subtle diplomacy. The model wove a vast linguistic pattern across all those tongues. It even deliberately created one funny made-up language just for pure amusement. It shows a spark of genuine creativity, a playful little wink from the machine.
Section 4, the all-seeing oracle, vision and logic. Let's look at its analytical mind. We asked the network to write 10 sentences using the word joy. The neural network solved this logical puzzle very quickly and flawlessly, acting exactly like a wise seer solving complex riddles in the dark. Then we showed it an ancient script for handwriting recognition. Like the all-seeing god Koros, the model perfectly read the fated lines. She even deeply understood the context of the 20th Century Red Phantom comic, proving her fantastic capacity for deep, nuanced thought.
Section 5, a sovereign digital future. So, what does this all mean for us?
This brings us to a vibrant sunrise over a majestic Cyber-Rus city. We eagerly await the release of open-source versions of this beautiful model. They represent the ultimate hope that sovereign local models are becoming stronger than sluggish, closed corporate giants. The bright, independent future is already here, and it's running right on our server.
Subscribe to our updates and become a channel sponsor so we can explore this magic together. We're soon going to be able to create powerful, autonomous assistants ourselves without ever relying on third-party clouds again. So I leave you with this thought. What magical digital architectures will you build in this new open source era? The tools to forge your own path in this decentralized landscape are finally in your hands. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in our next explainer.